A lot of power. Yeah. Yeah. Huh? Oh, 2 pound, 3 pound, no problem. Yeah. This is a tuna boat, a fishing boat, crab boat. Yeah.
It's very cool. It looks like realistic. I mean, that's fine because you forget to the stress before the work or something like that. You know?
Right. Yeah. Enjoy a lot.
Relaxing.
Yeah.
How's work?
Better more in drinking or
Yeah.
casino.
Anyone should have a gas power?
Huh?
Anyone should have a gas power?
Yeah. What?
Anyone is gas power? All the electric, so
Yeah. All the selector. Yeah.
no gas power.
For the gas engine.
Uh-huh.
Before it, I play gas, but no more. It's too noisy.
Too much noise?
Yeah, and a lot of people complain and then dirty too.
Right.
But electric is power. I modify. I did a lot of power for that.
I think she need more attention for cleaning and everything.
Right. That boat spent almost $2,000 for that.
An hour?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's the same way. If sell, maybe 5,000.
It's a good investment. What a hobby, you know?
Yeah, but I build it for hobby. It's not for sale. A lot of people asking me for sale. I don't sell it. That run fast. Yeah, can run faster. See, faster, yeah. See? Play 3 at a time. What time? If dark, the light look nice, eh? Yeah. A little bit dark more. Look bit. Yeah. Yeah.
This every Sunday.
Yeah. Morning. Yeah. This sometimes for night time, but only usually morning. Morning
There's a
Saturday.
lot of people playing.
Yeah. Now. Hi, how are you? Okay. Oh, beautiful. I cannot run.
Yours is that one?
Huh?
Yours is that one, right?
Yeah. This one.
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
Oh, you're driving another one.
My boat cannot run far because the water.
What if there's no battery when the boat is in center of the pond? Like, how can you get that?
For boundary?
What if there is no battery? How can you get back?
The boundary?
Yeah.
Or you're talking about for the motor or?
Yeah, what if there's no battery
Uh-huh.
and the boat is far in the center of the pond, how can you get it back?
We have the Wait, yeah. Take a picture. Oh, beautiful. Hi, how are you? All right. Long time no see.
How are you?
I'm okay. Oh, you have a new bowl.
No, I always bring it out at the Christmas time.
Yeah. It is blanket or fiber?
Fiberglass.
Fiberglass. It's nice, beautiful.
Oh, I never got it. It's still in the bathroom.
Working? Huh? Have you turned on the power yet? Okay, let me see. Oh, you got it now. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. I have a lot at home. I build river. I have almost 10 river right now. Big. Build that. Build everything. Everything A to Z.
I try to make a hole, and I don't know.
Yeah, you have to do design like you want to wood or fiber. You want fiber, you know how to do
Which
it.
one's easy?
Depends. I don't know.
Which one do you prefer?
I love wood. Fiber to smell and then my health is not very. Yeah, right. That's right. It can run fast, but it can run outside there. Wow. Oh, have the sound system, you know? See that? You like the sound, Rob? Hi. Thank you. For me?
Harbor model.
No, the sound system, I did by myself.
You did?
Yeah, because outside there, they don't sell that sound. I record that.
You recorded it on a real boat?
Yeah, I record here and then apply to the record sound and I put on the USB. Yeah. Well, that's why louder and then the real kind of like the diesel, you know.
So, but as you go faster, it goes faster too.
All right. Depend for the ESC. You see that? And they have the sound kind of like turbo too. You see? Kind of like turbo.
So you have to have some kind of logic board in there to tell it that, right?
Yeah. I use a That's beautiful boat.
This nice, yes.
That you buy or you build that?
I bought it.
That's the Dumas boat, right?
Yeah, but I had to. I replaced all the propulsion. I did the lights.
Oh, okay.
I did not build it from scratch. No.
Okay.
I put the lights on.